Welcome to Pradeep Sir classes as PSC where we can talk the physics. And students, we are in the numerical king series AC Burma solutions, and this is chapter number 29, volume 2, question number 41, and it is based on electric field and potential. So students, first of all, we have to clear the concepts related with that particular numericals, and first of all, students, just write down the numericals. So question number 41. So question number 41, and this is a 10 centimeter long rod carries a charge of 50 microcoulomb distributed, and you have to calculate electric field at 10 centimeter apart. So students, what is the concept related with it? And this is a 10 centimeter long where 50 microcoulomb charge are distributed over it. Okay, so all the charges are distributed over the rod, and you have to calculate electric field at that point, that is 10 centimeter from the two ends, that is 10 centimeter from the two ends. So this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and this is, if this angle is given, that is it is 60 degree, because this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So students, you can think that it is an equilateral triangle since three sides are equal. So this is 10, this is 10, and this is also 10 centimeter. That's why this is 60 degree and this is 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. So there is 60 by half, that is 30 degree. So you can calculate the height, or you can easily calculate height with the formula root 3 by 2 into side of the equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 2 into this one. So this is root 3 by 2 into side, that is 10 centimeter, or you can take a cos theta of this one. So this is the height, or if we take this as r, then we can say that this is r. And students, think as formula E equal to 2 kappa into 2 lambda by r into sine theta by 2. So this is sine 30 degree. Okay, sine 30 degree. So the formula is kappa 2 lambda by r, 2r, and just substitute the value, that is kappa means 9 into 10 to the power 9. This is a Coulomb's proportionality constant, and then 2 and lambda. So lambda equal to total charge by total length. This is 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by length. So this is 10. So 10 by 100. This is meter. So this is the value of lambda, and substitute this value here. So this is 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 10. So 10, and this one cancel. So this is 1 by 10, and it is within the numerator portion, so it is also 10 here. So this is 10 by 2 into r. So r equal to root 3 by 2 into 10 centimeter. So 10 by 100. This is also meter, and you can calculate this one and get 5.2 into 10 to the power of 7. 5.2 10 to the 7, and the unit of obviously electric field, so Newton by Coulomb. 5.2 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton by Coulomb. Okay, so students, this is a simple concepts, that is you have to just memorize the formula. E equal to 2 kappa lambda by r sine theta by 2, that is sine 30 degree. Okay, So theta by 2 means in place of theta by 2 you have to write sine 30, that is half. Okay, then this is a very easy numerical. So thank you and wait for the next one. Okay, thank you.